Is your engine's lifeline protected, or are you unknowingly choking it with a subpar oil filter? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Wix oil filters to determine if they truly live up to the hype and whether they're the right choice for your vehicle. First, let's examine the construction. Wix filters are known for their robust design, often featuring a silicone anti-drain back valve, which prevents oil from draining out of the engine when it's off, ensuring instant lubrication upon startup. Notice the sturdy metal end caps and the tightly packed filter media. Speaking of media, Wix typically uses a cellulose and synthetic blend, designed to capture a wide range of contaminants. This intricate structure is key to efficient filtration, removing dirt, debris, and other harmful particles from your engine oil. But how effective are they? Wix oil filters generally boast high filtration efficiency ratings, often capturing 95% or more of particles 20 microns or larger. This is crucial for maintaining oil cleanliness and preventing engine wear. Now, are they suitable for all vehicles? Wix offers a wide range of filters designed for various makes and models. From everyday cars to heavy-duty trucks, always consult your vehicle's manual or the Wix catalog to ensure you select the correct filter for your specific engine. Ultimately, Wix oil filters are a solid choice, known for their quality construction, efficient filtration, and broad vehicle compatibility. Choosing the right oil filter can extend the life of your engine and improve its overall performance. Make an informed choice to protect your engine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips.